using the Frogotter education system, and today we are doing N008 begin adding. And my special guest today is a monkey! Hello, monkey! The equipment we need for this activity is the number grid, and a bag of counters. Now, the first thing it says is we can use a number grid to help us add numbers together. Take 6 counters. Oh, it doesn't say throw them on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 counters. I'm going to make the 3 counters another colour to make it really obvious. 1, 2, 3. Lay them out on the number grid. Okay, can you do this bit? So can you lay the blue ones out first with the first one on 1 and keep going along?
Okay, along.
2, that's it. 3.
That's it. 4. That's it. 5. That's it.
6. Brilliant. And now can you add the next ones, the 3 that we added?
7.
That's right.
8.
Yep.
9. That is
Fantastic. So this shows that 6 add 3 is
9.
brilliant. That's exactly
Clever.
right. Now it says to try again using a few different combinations of counters. So I'll pull some out of my hat. You picked 2 numbers. What 2 numbers would you like to do? What 2 numbers would you like to add, Monkey?
9, 5. Oh, I know. 3 and 6.
Really? Okay. Well, we've already added 6 and 3. So what we'll do then is we'll swap them round. This time, add 3 and 6. So start with the 3, the red ones.
1.
That's right. 2, 3, and now add the blue 6 afterwards. 4.
5.
Mhm.
6. 7. 8. 9.
That's right. 3 and 6 is the same as 6 and 3.
Wow.
Both 9. Well done. Can you think of 2 other numbers you'd like to try adding?
2 other numbers.
Do you want me to pick?
I know. 9 and 5.
Okay. Well, we've got 6 blue ones. So if I put 3 more like this, if I place those 3, then we've got 9 blue ones. Oh, can you? You're holding the thing and making it run up. That's it. That's much better. So we've got 9 blue ones, and you wanted to add 5 red ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add the 5 red ones, and let's see what we've got.
1, 2.
That's brilliant. Yes. After we do get to the end of a line, we wrap around to the next line.
5.
You have clearly used a number grid before. That is spectacular
Actually,
work, Monkey. Have you not? Well, you still worked it out. That you get to the end of this line, you start on the next line, don't you? So if our number had got bigger than this, we'd get to the end of this line and wrap around on there, wouldn't we?
It's just like writing, isn't it?
It is like writing. You get to the end of the line, you start at the beginning of the next line. So now, how many have we got? What was 9 add 5?
14.
That's right! One of the things I like best... Okay, I just wanted to make a comment about the counters to the camera. One of the things I really like about these counters is that you can quite clearly see the numbers through them. So it makes it really easy when you're doing the maths.
And I can also see that they add on 10 each line.
Well, that's true, you can. You can see all sorts of patterns once you've got the numbers laid out in a grid like this, can't you? Okay, so it says we don't have to count out the groups again. Ah, right, what we can do... Ah, okay. Let's imagine we wanted to add 3 to 6, okay? We don't have to lay out the 6 counters first. We can imagine they're there. So we could say, if we're adding 3 to 6, we could just take 3 counters and start with the number after 6. Can you do that? Right, 7, 8, 9. 9! Fantastic! Now this can save a lot of time, especially if you're going to add on a really big number. So let's add a number to something like 45. Now it would take us ages to lay out 45 counters, wouldn't it? But we're not going to do that. What number would you like to add to 45?
100.
Really? Well, I'd ideally like it to be smaller than that. I'd like the number that you're adding to 45
99.
to be smaller than 50. To be
40?
I'd like you to add a number smaller than 55 to 45 if you could. What would you like to add? Okay. You can't think of a number smaller than 55. Shall we go with 7?
6!
Okay, 6. So I'll give you 6 blue counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So,
Are we adding...
no, we're adding to 45. We're adding to 45. So we start with the number after 45. Good. And then we lay out the 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did we...
51!
It is 51! Oh, I thought you were going in to give me 5. Oh, well done. That's exactly right. Okay, now it's your turn to pick a number to start with, and I'll pick what we're going to add on. What number would you like to start on?
I'm just going to drift my hand, whatever.
Well, that's okay, but try not to pull
my
the...
fun lands on will be the number.
I get it, but don't pull the... I don't
What's the
want you to
number?
pull the grid off. Okay, 53.
Oh.
Okay, I would like to add 7 to 53. Could you count out for me 7 blue counters? So I can add 7 to 53.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Oh no, I only want to add 7. So do you want... Shall we... No, that's 6 now. I think you were so busy playing with your foot that you lost count of the counters. So let's take away the spare ones and let's just check that we've got 7, shall we?
What's the foot? I'm a monkey. I don't have feet.
Well, you
Monkeys
don't...
only have 4 hands.
Well, you seem to be clumsier with these hands than you are with these hands. I think you should bear that one in mind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We have 7 counters and I wish to add 7 to 53. So can you add 7 to 53?
Where's 53?
Oh, that's tricky. There we go. That's right. 53 is between 52 and 54.
Exactly.
So that's 4, 5, 6, 7! And what did we land on?
60!
Oh, another hag. 53 add 7 is indeed 60. Well done, monkey. Sorry?
Oh, my lips.
Okay.
My lips hurt.
Oh, well, I just want to do one more. It says we should try adding 4 to 15, and then we'll just get you some lip salve. I expect that will help your lips. Okay. What colour would you like to use to add 4 to 15?
Is there an orange?
There isn't. There is yellow, red, green, and blue.
Can I have that orangey colour?
You're going to find it looks more yellow when it comes out. It's looking slightly orange because it's next to some red ones, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you add 4?
Very orange.
I forgot what we're adding it to. 4 to 15 for me.
15. There.
That's it. It's going to be... We're adding 4 to 15. So do we want to count the number 15 again?
No, thank you.
So if we've laid the counter over there, over the 15, we're going to count the number 15 twice. We need to start on 16. Good. Brilliant. And what's our answer?
19.
That's right.
Dun dun dun.
15 add 4 is 19. Yes, it's important to note that when you're adding a number on, you don't cover over the first one because we have imaginary counters going up to the number 15, and if we put another one on, we'd be counting 15 twice. Okay?
Indeed.
It is a little harder to hear you when you're talking to your knees.
I'm not talking to my knees.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you'll join us again.